I had done this wall, the lower part of this wall, about 6 years ago, and I actually did the gate as well. I fabricated the gate as well. I had the two columns, that column down there, this one, and this one. So the property owner finally got the balusters, and I placed them today with the trough on top that's going to be filled with cement. And once that is done, I had to leave this space out because the one that we got from the pottery guy, the baluster guy, it had a defect, so I left that one out. But the rest of them, I placed them as best as I could. They weren't very well made, so I placed them and centered them as best as I could, and this is the result. Tomorrow I'm gonna pour concrete, as I said, on the trough on top, and that's going to be the end of it. Get some thin set, some grout, and fill up the little gaps, like all in between here. Fill those things up. Hopefully tomorrow I can get the one that's going to be for the center here as well. That's going to complete the entire fence. And this is actually my first time doing balusters. It's something that I shy away from because many times it has to be done around windows and doors, and you have to use scaffolding for that, and I don't like going up on scaffolding. But this one is just right on ground level, right in my comfort zone, so I decided to take this task on, and it turned out pretty well, pretty good, and I'm glad. All right, so like, share, send me a message, subscribe to my channel, and I will keep the videos coming. And this is a Victorian shape baluster, Victorian style, and it's not made well, as I said, the best ones, but that's what the homeowner got, and that's what I worked with, and it turned out pretty good. So see you around next time. Like, share, subscribe, Aid and Tate.